Welcome to Backup World. Today we'll learn about Rubrik Security Cloud. Rubrik Security Cloud is RSC, which is web UI of Rubrik. We have one more web UI, CDM UI. Today we'll learn about RSC and what are the functions we can perform with RSC. RSC is a SaaS-based platform which is hosted on GCP. Here we can perform multiple activities from Rubrik. I mean RSC, which is data protection, data security postures, cyber recovery, data threat analysis. These are activities now we can monitor and perform from Rubrik Security Cloud. We can connect one or more clusters to RSC. We can monitor those clusters backups and those health. We can recover backups, everything from. We can perform all the activities from RSC. So, so we have multiple icons in RSC. We'll go ahead with one by one. So on top side, we can see here search, inbox, help, app tray, and users. Under search, we can search the objects globally within the RSC. We have multiple filters here. We can use those filters where then inbox, in inbox we can see recent news, release notes, customer license information, notifications, those information we can see under inbox. Help center, which is from help center we can search a few topics like data protection dashboard, or the information we can search is just like a shortcut. Next, we can see app tray. From app tray, we can perform multiple activities: data protection, data threat analysis, orchestrated recovery, data security posture, data security command center, global dashboard, and settings. So we'll go ahead with one by one topic here. First, we'll select data protection. Under data protection, we can see task monitoring, M365. Task monitoring where we can see running jobs or failed jobs, completed jobs, hung jobs, everything we can see here from task monitor. And Microsoft 365 where we can monitor SaaS based workloads. And next one is cluster. We can see connected clusters to the RSC. Also we can add new clusters. uh, we can add new node to the cluster. We can monitor health of the hardware, like cluster health and node health. We can see if there is any failed disk or any errors on hardware. We can add VLAN information, any firewalls, uh, those information we can add. Next one is inventory. Inventory where we can see all the workload, all the types of workloads like vSphere VMs, hypervisor VMs, and SQL databases and Oracle databases, Windows uh, file set backups, and Linux file set backups, you know, cloud workloads. Those are all information we can see. And next one is SLA domain. SLA domain is it's just like policy where we will define backup type, backup start time, backup retention, backup frequency, archival location, any vault location, replication location, targets, and all. Also, we can assign retention log. Next, events. Under events, we can see here event logs where we can monitor backup status again, backup status, archive job status index, all the job status, any synchronization or configuration information, everything we can see under events. Also, we can see audit logs under events, and we have quorum authorization information, also we can see under events. Then reports we will have predefined reports, and we can configure multiple reports. Then live mounts, under live mounts we can see if there is any live mount activities like SQL, DB restores, or VM virtual machine restores. Those information we can see under live mount. Then under app tray, we can see settings. Where under settings we can see these are the options like snapshots, data sources, and under data sources we can add vCenters, VMware, I mean Windows servers, Linux servers, or any other data sources we can add under data source. Then cloud accounts we can add GCP, AWS, Azure cloud accounts there. And archival and storage location, if there is any archival location to be configured, then we can configure an archival and storage. Then replication, under replication we can configure a replication pairing between two clusters. If we have any vaulting, then we have to uh, configure under Rubrik Cloud Vault. Then user and access, under user and access we can provide RBAC information, and notification we can see here. Security, we have multiple security activities we can add under here, like SMB security, TLS security, and other things we can add. Organizations, organization information and cluster settings, like cluster location and time zone, everything we can update here. The last one, customer support. Under customer support we can uh, we can see here support tunnel option. Support tunnel for if there is any issue with Rubrik, or if any issues that we are which we are not able to restore resolve, then we will open support tunnel and share UEID or a port number to Rubrik support team. Then they will take the control of cluster and see that issues, and help us to resolve the problem. Then last one is user. Under user we can see account information, by which account we logged in, like either direct login with email ID and password, or if there is in SSO, single sign-on. And switch to bright theme, we can change the background of this RSC. User preferences, we can like MFA, multiple multi-factor authentications, those information we can set. Then we have about Rubrik Security Cloud, we can see the version of RSC. The last one is logout. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. See you again.